Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to be doing an unboxing package video. Yes, from my Massy store bag. Yeah, today I received this package from my sisters, my two beautiful sisters, and from the friend. So we are gonna be unboxing this package. I actually paid 30 euros to clear this package out. Yes, 30 euros. So right now we are gonna be doing the unboxing together. I don't know everything that's in this bag, so we are gonna be doing it together. Okay, so let's start. Eh, 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 eh. They got me cheesecakes. Thanks to my friend for the cheesecakes. Okay. This is snacks, Sanusha snacks. My children loves these snacks, but unfortunately we don't get it here in Martinique, so we have to be shipping. Thank you for the snacks. Zumas, another snack. Okay. Ping pong for my daughter. She loves ping pong. She really loves ping pong. So a chocolate tiki. Thanks to my sister. If you are watching this video, Donna and Donatil, I thank you all for these snacks. Hey, this one is for me, my favorite biscuit, Dixie. This is for my daughter, my two beautiful daughters. My sister bought me this all the way from America. Yes, America. Thank you. We don't have that here in Martinique. I need to do seafood boil. A Creole seasoning. I think hey. Oh, my camera. Finally, my camera is home. Okay, the camera comes with this a charger, the battery. The camera comes with 2 battery. So let me actually tell you the story behind this camera. I was supposed to order this camera for my sister to travel with it, and she would bring it back. She would bring it for me, but unfortunately I didn't have the chance to order it. She surprised me with this camera. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Donna. Thank you for this camera that you actually bought me. It's come in this bag, this little bag. It has the manual. It's a full HD video camcorder. She bought it on Amazon. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll be doing a video of with this camera, so stay tuned. Thank you, daughter. Thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. I'm happy. Today, now this real YouTuber thing. There's another cheesecake. Oh, she bought me bed sheets. She bought me 3. 1, 2, 3 beautiful bed sheets. I thank my sister. Thank you. Thanks very, very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. What is this? She brought me Irish Spring soaps. As you can see, Irish Springs. It has 2 bars in 1 packet. Let me see. So she actually bought me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packets of Irish soap. This soap here, this smells so amazing. She bought me VO5 shampoo for my kids, shampoo and conditioner. So let's see. This one is strawberries and cream shampoo and conditioner. And this one is a kiwi lime squeeze. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Oh boy, this thing smells so amazing. So thanks to my sisters for showing me this love. Thanks to you. Thanks a lot. Thanks to each and every one of you. Look at, just take a look. Wow. So guys, I just want to thank my sister for this camera. Especially I needed this camera to record my videos. I just want to thank my sister for this camera and for all these groceries, these stuffs they have bought on for me, and my friend Shano. I thank each and every one of you. So now we have come to the end of this video. If you like what you see on my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification bell down below, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's your favorite girl, Mama Orange Girls. Come along with me, come along. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, and I will definitely see you all in our next video. So for now, guys, bye.